it's Discount Diva here. I know you guys have missed me, but I've been a little busy with the family and just enjoying my days off. I also was a little sicky too. I had a little bit of congestion, but anyway, enough about me. I wanted to share my Dollar Tree deals. Yes, I went to 2 Dollar Trees today. One at my lunch break and another one after work because I was looking for a few things that I needed. And I'm going to share with you guys. Nothing crazy, just a few things that I needed and maybe just one thing that I wanted to review with you. So I picked up these Dream Chaser socks. Women's 5 to 9. And in the back it has little grips that says Dream Chaser. I picked up this hair clip by Scrunchie. It's a jaw clip. It's gray and it has like specks of black. Pecks. Okay. Alright. And this I have picked up. Let me tell you, we went to the beach and we got bitten up. I mean like 50 bites just in one leg. And this thing right here was our savior. It's a bug bite relief by Assured. This has been helping with the pain and the itchiness. And that's what it says, relieves itches and soothes on contact. This is great. This is a holy grail right here. This is our salvation. So if you get bitten up, pick yourself the bug bite relief by Assured from the Dollar Tree, and it's $1. And they had, my daughters love Band-Aids. Which kid doesn't, right? I picked up Pets too. So it's 20 and it's all the fun designs. One of them says cute is my cover. That's cute. Alright, these things are expensive in CVS too, so you can get it for $1. Oh, in my last haul I had hauled this. I had the base coat one, the cuticle one, and now this one. No, I had the top coat and cuticle one. This is the base coat, so I was missing this one. By Nail Medic and Pretty Woman, it says. Okay. And these are favorites. I tried the strawberry one and I happened to find the ice cream flavor. And actually I wanted to open this up right now because my lips feel a little. This reminds me of Smackers favorites. Oh, that smells nice. It smells like ice cream. Oh, it's nice and moisturizing. It has like a lemony smell. And it's a little tasty too. So I like these. My girls like these too. I got one got kiwi. I've purchased strawberry kiwi, now ice cream. And the other one was donut. So favorites. Nice lip balm. I picked up these fun sunglasses. What do you think? Funky? I figured for the summer, you know? Just fun in the sun. Like, boop! Here I am. If in case you didn't see me, my neon sunglasses, right? So for $1, you can't beat it. And if you lose it, I paid $1. Oh well, not bad at all. And then I got another pair. I think this color is a little cuter. Boop boop. This is a double boop because it's 2 great purchases. And it's a nice green, right? Check out my necklace, y'all. Cute, right? Okay, nice. what else? What is? Oh, I just needed foil, so nothing fun, just aluminum foil. That. Oh, this is adorable. This was at the register. Look, how cute. Glass beaded bracelets with a little hanging pineapple to go with my pineapple earrings that I had from the other day. They had flamingos and they had something else, but they had like a blue or white. Maybe I'll get some more, but I wanted to try with the pineapple one. Just gives me an excuse to go back and get the other ones. Let's see. Ooh, look how cute. Nice. I like this. And for $1 with the little hanging pineapple, not too shabby. And then I picked up, what else? Some, okay. Moisturizing shampoo. I'm like obsessed with coconut, so anything coconut I love and I get. But this one is coconut and hibiscus, and it's by the White Rain. It's by White Rain, and it's 18 ounces, and you get 20% more. So it's normally 15 ounces, but they add 20%, and it goes up to 18 ounces. And it smells nice, just like a nice summer scent. That I got. Just needed plain soap. I was looking for Dove. They didn't have Dove, so I just opted for Dial. I mean, you can't go wrong. You get 2 bars for $1. That. Oh, I got nail polish. Actually, let me leave the nail stuff for last. I got this scarf, you know. I love me my scarf, so cute. I just got one this time because that's all I could find. And then I got me some nails, but I want to try something new. I have a lot of nails with designs on them, so what I wanted to do is pick up these kisses. So I picked up these kisses. These are the oval. See that? Okay, and these are $1. And so I got 2 of the ovals and 2 of these squares, and you get 20. So what I wanted to do is just get the plain one. This way I can use like let's say I don't have the colors that I want, just get the plain ones and just pop these colors. So this I also got at the Dollar Tree, and this one is Hottie, $5.34 by LA Colors. So just use this on top of this, and boop, you got some Hottie nails for $2, 1 and 2. And then I thought this color was nice, and this is Soulmate. And then I got just another pair of the plain French, and that was it. I'm getting I'm telling you guys, I'm getting nervous with these nails, especially the Sassy Chics. They are MIA, like they are gone. Oh, and this is another pair that I did. Doesn't this look so pretty? Look, you would think I just went and I got them like a regular gel nails, and nope. I did this myself for $1. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it in my next haul. But these I figure I could just, you know, just, they're already square and oval. And then I could just paint them any color, like this or this. So that was my haul for today. Sorry I haven't been posting videos. Like I said, I was busy over the weekend, but I do appreciate you guys viewing my videos, and I would hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I do want you guys to subscribe because that makes me feel a lot motivated. You know, I only have 6 subscribers now, so show me some love. Show Discount Diva some love, please. You know, I really enjoy making these videos. I enjoy going to the Dollar Tree and just showing you guys my purchases, especially this thing. Isn't this adorable? I mean, a little pineapple. Red beaded bracelet. Anywho, question, comments below, and hit the subscribe button. And until next time, Discount Diva here, and sorry about the little my phone dropping. All right, take care, guys.